Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I am back with another video. Today I'll be sharing with you what I ate in a week at Ocean Spring Coral Resort. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so that you'd be notified whenever I do post another video. If you'd like to see, stay tuned. Watch the entire video. So guys, as you have seen before in my previous video, I was at Ocean Coral Springs. The resort was to die for. It was great. In this video, I'm going to show you what I ate in a week. So there are a variety of restaurants there that serves a variety of different cuisines. You could have Jamaican, French, German, American. It depends. Seafood, it serves just about every single thing. Most of the restaurants, I like the food. And if you are willing to try new things, it's a good place to go. It's a good hotel to go because it has a large variety of stuff, a large variety of food. And you know that I specialize in food, so when I tell you the food is good, the food is good. My son is also a good character judge of food, so he liked most of it. So I would recommend the food, the dining there. There are also restaurants there that does done to order. Those are the more fancier restaurants like the French and the German, but if you're well hungry, just go and get the buffet style. Trust me, it is good. It is prepared in front of you. And put it down. You can always go back and back and back and back. Like the serving proportion is great. And nobody not asking up them face by and I say, how much food do you want? How much of this, how much of that? Because you paid for it. You know? So as I said before, the food was great. So I will not be talking throughout this entire video. You could just watch and see what it is that I did get and what I did not get. And leave your comments down below what it is that you'd like to try and what it is that you think of the food based on looks. Because yes, you didn't get to taste it, but look at this. This dessert looks so delicious. It was to die for. It looks, well, it tastes just as good as it looks. This one is not right here. And this is. Ooh, give me some of this one. Yeah.
Oh, where did your pizza go? I want. Mommy, I know to crop them, okay, Mommy? Mommy, I know to crop them, okay?
But taking a picture. This is cheese. Okay, my baby. Okay. It will just say comment down below what this will turn you into.
Yeah.
So let's see. Oh, this is a fry over dumpling. This is what I want. Mm. What? Mm-hmm.
Mommy, I'm throwing you in it. You know, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
But I don't want it, okay?
Ooh. Can I have some fruits, morning?
Yes. I would like the apple.
He's allergic to pineapple, so for me, I can have pineapple, but for him, no pineapple. Yes. Sure.
Apple.
You will get to tell him what you want. You want watermelon and apple?
Let me tell you which one I want. Apple.
Which juice you want? You want orange juice or you want cranberry? Pineapple, but you can't have that. So guys, I'm behind the camera. Can I have the train? One. Oh God. Give me a piece of sausage. One. Sorry. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.